So they fixed this road, guys. This is the road that it was in pretty bad shape. And right up here around the corner is where Tyler and the boys always like to go fishing. But this road here, you couldn't have no pull-off spots. It was really bad. It would damage your car. So it was hard to pull off to the side. I know you're getting the sun, but I wanted to take you down this road. I actually wanted to come down this road myself. And I think it's 2 ways. I think you can go either direction. But right down here on the left is that bridge that the guys always fished at. Right, nope, that's not it. It's right here somewhere. There's people everywhere. People go kayaking in here. It'd be cool to take the kayaks out, right out here. Look at the kids fishing on the right. Aw, looks like Grandma's got them out there fishing. That's too cool. Alright, well, where is that bridge at? I'm not seeing that bridge. Well, this is a little, like, God, you could go over the edge here. I guess, I don't know. Maybe the bridge is right up here. I know there was a bridge, and I thought it was right back there by that little road. But, could be wrong. Oh, maybe this is the bridge right here. So yeah, this is the bridge that I took the guys fishing on. You guys remember this? It's probably the best spot to fish. Beautiful down here. Wow, that house looks like it's, holy crap, maybe not. Somebody probably lives there. Looks abandoned. All right, here we go. 50 miles an hour. There's water on the right, there's water on the left. So if something comes in front of you, do not swerve or you're going off into the water. Yes, if an animal jumps out in front of you, you're gonna have to hit it. Because if you swerve, you could kill yourself by going off into the water. If you see it, we're on like a barge. They made like a little barge piece of island. It's just an island road that takes you out to Pine Island. Everything around this road is water, and when it rains and storms and hurricanes come in, this road floods. So anybody that lives out here is stuck out here if they don't leave, because they closed the road off. And there's a lot of houses out here, and if you look at them as we're going by, you will see a lot of them are on stilts. They're up in the air. Some beautiful houses out here, and they just built some more new houses out here. It's a pretty long road. And it looks like there's just woods to the right. It's not. It's water. It's crazy how trees and grass and all that grows in the water. It makes it look like it's not even water. there's a beautiful house right here to the right. I don't know how well you're going to see it. Look at this house. It's gorgeous. Alright, we're going to be blinded by the sun. Trump, Trump. Everybody's voting for Trump out here. This little bridge we've stopped at, and the guys have fished here. I actually kayaked under that bridge one time. Right in front of us, you can see up there in front of us, they just built that building there. See how most of it's above, most of it's up high. But it's brand new. Right on the beach. It's amazing. I would love to live right on the beach. Just walk out your front door and there's the beach. That would be awesome. And that's how these houses are. The ones on the right go to the beach side. The ones on the left go to the canal, you know, the canal side. Holy cow. I have to film some of these houses. I mean, I don't really want to film too many people's houses, but there's some old looking houses out here. Wonder how long they've been here. You can rent houses right out here on Pine Island. I don't know which ones it is. I think it's the ones right before you go into the island on the left, but I'm sure other ones are rentable too. I know these on the left, if you look up there on the left, those are, they rent those. And that's on the canal side. And here's Pine Island. So we're gonna go in and I'm gonna get set up and take you guys. Look at all the birds, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh, I should have left my shoes in the car again.
Oh my goodness.
So many of them.
Yes. Yeah. I wonder what they're doing. Oh my goodness.
Watch, we could get pooped on. Somebody's probably feeding them down there.
Like 15 minutes. What? About 50.
There's a stack of them out there in the water too. It's cold today.
Back here,
yes,
at the boat ramp.
launch for the boat.
Yep. At the end of 50.
Oh my goodness, guys, here they are. They fly up. We're probably gonna definitely get pooped on. Wonder what they're after. Have no clue what they're after, guys. They probably don't know what to do because it's cool today. They're cold. And they got nowhere to fly south. I guess they could fly to Miami. Look at them. It's like they're shivering. What are they doing? Look at that, guys. If somebody chases them, it'd be a good picture. But I'm not going to chase them because I don't want to get pooped on. If you guys remember, this is the place that when Chris came down and he was doing that metal detecting, I brought Chris here and he did some metal detecting down in here. But this was all wet, so the water the high tide must have been way up here. It comes over that wall. They're just standing there. This is crazy, guys. Usually this place is more packed. I guess everybody's getting ready for Halloween. Probably won't see this video before Halloween, but I guess everybody's getting ready for Halloween because tomorrow the time changes. Are you gonna run out there? No. Oh, okay. I was gonna say it would be pretty cool. It would be pretty cool. Oh.
Should I make them fly? Oh dear.
Yeah.
I'm right here.
Make them fly. We'll probably get pooped on, but yeah. It'll be cool.
I guess. Oh, I'm nervous.
You can also do the recording and take the pictures with the recording too, just in case.
Okay.
She's curious about them.
It is. Oh my goodness. Wow, look. At least they went that way and didn't come over top of us. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. Birds, birds.
I'll come back.
Yep, they're all coming back. They don't know what to do because of the weather change. Pretty cool. Alright guys, let's go down and get set up for the sunset because the sun's still up.
They're already past fall, just about up there right now. Yeah, they're done. It's unfortunate. Here we are on the beach.
The water's probably cold today.
From South Florida, Florida Poppy Shark.
Sun's up pretty high right now, guys. I think Haley is coming out. Her and Alex. Alright, so I'm gonna get my stuff set up. I'm probably gonna go up here somewhere else and watch it from a distance. It's beautiful though. Alright guys, there's the sunset. I'm just going to leave the camera going. I know we have some wind, so I don't know how that's going to sound, but I guess the sound's not important. Do that. I missed it because that lady. There it goes. Go over on that tree right there. Yeah. What'd you say?
We literally spun twice so you can take pictures and you didn't take
do it. So picky about your pictures.
I know.
Look at that. So pretty. Can you guys see the moon over there? I don't know how well you can see it, but the moon's already out. I probably need to get closer. Otherwise somebody might jump right in front of me on this one too. That's pretty cool looking. That's pretty cool. The moon.